Hello everyone, welcome to Tamil Reviews. This is our 23rd video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the interface related things. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. Today we are going to discuss about the struct embedding, right? The previous video content are very important when we are learning the struct embedding, right? Okay, first I will create a struct, right? Call type base struct, right? In this base struct contains some value, type is int, right? Type is int. Okay, right. Then I want to create another struct type, right? I am naming this as container, and then I will create like this base, and then str type is string. Okay, in here what I did, right? Go supports embedding of struct and interfaces to express more seamless composition of types, right? In here, this also a struct, this also is struct. In this struct, right, the container struct embeds the base struct, right? And embedding looks like a field without a name, right? Okay, then if we want to create this container struct now, how we can create that? I am naming this as CO, right? Container, right? Then we want to first pass the base, right? Base, and then we want to pass number, right? Number, and then container also have what? Container also have str, right? I am saying use, right? In here, first you want to say this is base, right? We want to put commas. Like in this way, we can create a container struct, right? In here, we have created that one. This is the way that we can initialize the container, right? In here, this is also a struct, right? That's why the reason we are adding in like this way. We have more field in the base struct, then we want to mention those things below, right? When we are initializing the struct, right? Okay, then how we can print those things? I will show that one. fmt dot println, right? co dot str. What is the value when we are getting the str? What is the value? Tamil views. Okay, right. Then I will try to get this number, right? That number contains inside the base. How we can get that? fmt dot println co dot base dot name. Now, right? In like this way, we can fetch the number, right? But in this way also we can get the number, right? Println CEO dot, in here you can say there is a number, right? Now I will run this up. In this way also we can get, right? When creating the struct with literals, we have to initialize the embedding explicitly, right? Things we have done already, right? Here the embedded type serves as field names, right? In this embedded types also served as field names when we are initializing the container, right? That's why the reason we can use directly this field type without adding a direct path, right? Like in this way. These are very important thing when we are learning about the struct embedding, right? Okay, then we will do that like in this, but with this kind of thing, right? We already know about the methods, right? Then I will pass this base as value, right? Okay, then this is a describe function. Method name is describe. It will return some string value, right? Okay, then I am return we can simply return the, like in this way, fmt dot, there is a function called sprintf, right? In here we can return some string value with a modification, like in this base with num, right? Then we can put some specifier here, and then we can simply add this number to here, right? This is written a string, right? And also it will adding some number there, number equal. Okay, right? Now we have a method called describe, right? And also it receives the base struct, right? Base struct. Then this base struct embedded with container, right? Then we can simply call to this fmt dot println CEO dot describe, right? Because the base struct embeds container, right? Sorry, container embeds base, right? Now here you can see base with number 1, right? In this way we can use the methods as well with the struct embedding, right? Okay, then we will have learn about the interfaces, right? Then I will create a interface, describer interface, right? Then we want to add the string, right? I am adding this string, right? When we add in the describe, it will show that it has some implementations there, right? This is the implementation, right? Hope you got that one. Then we can simply, right? We can simply, this is a describer. Now we can simply create a variable in var the type is describer, and then I will assign this CEO value to this, right? And then fmt dot println the right dot what describe, What is the output? That base with number 1. What we did here? First we will understand that around these things actually we have described in the previous videos, right? In here I am combining all the things that we learn with the struct, right? Together because the struct embedding, but I have implemented all the things that we have learned about the struct related things to here, right? Then you can get a clear understanding about the struct embedding. Okay, in here first I have created the interface, right? In here there is a describe method, right? This is a method signature. In anywhere we can implement the describe function, right? In here I have implemented that one, right? In here I have implemented that one. Then what is the passing value here? It is a base, right? Base also contains there, right? Container embeds with the base. Then in here we have initialize the container, right? And then we can assign the, like in this way, right? Because embedding structured methods, maybe we can use to bestow interface implementation onto other struct, right? And then we can simply call to d.describe function, because in the interface has the describe implementation, right? Like in this way we can use the interface theories as well, right? Hope you got that done, right? If you haven't understand it clearly, please look my previous videos as well, because that is the reason when I am beginning of the video I always say that please look into my previous video, then you can get a clear understanding of this concept, right? Because all these videos are related to each other. If you miss something, then you definitely will not understand the concept, right? Okay. These are the things that I want to explain for you today, right? If you have learned new things, please share these things with your friends and please subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.